Linda Steele here for Penfolds Roofing and Solar. If you're sick of big hydro bills and you're concerned about climate change, then solar panels might be the answer. And you might be saying, why solar? Because installing solar panels is one of the best investments you'll ever make. Whatever leftover power your solar panels generate goes right back to the grid. And then BC Hydro actually pays you for that electricity. It's called net metering, with a smartphone app that tracks how much energy each solar panel is generating.
You can look at your panels, make sure they're all functioning, and it gives you a history and gives you an idea what you're generating. So it's really quick and easy to use.
Solar panels are easy to maintain. They don't need a battery bank because BC Hydro provides the electricity storage.
Is it worthwhile? That's the biggest
in BC
thing.
That it works, but it does work.
Yeah.
You know, and everybody says, but you get so much rain all winter, but it's providing the power, so we're happy.
Germany is a world leader in solar production, and on average each year the Vancouver Lower Mainland produces 25% more solar power than Berlin. During daylight hours, the sun's rays enable you to create solar power. Any power in excess of what you are using at home goes directly back into the grid. When there is no sun, you are receiving electricity from the grid to power your home.
Solar panels increase the value of your home the minute they're installed, generate enough energy to power your home and electric vehicles. In fact, they pay off your monthly hydro bill.
If you're doing a new roof, it's the best time to do it. It was very professionally done, that's for sure, and you guys had it up and running and good time.
You guys did a really good job.
So after looking at the numbers, I believed I could generate about a 3% return on my money, which these days is very, very good, and generating more electricity than we're consuming. You can request BC Hydro for a check, so I did. They sent me a check, and that's great. I was really happy.
Solar panels can make your home carbon neutral without negatively impacting birds, fish, or future generations.
We thought we should step up and do it, and I'm happy we did it. I feel proud about it.
If you're looking for ways to reduce your carbon footprint and your energy bills, then maybe it's time to find out more about solar panels. Check out penfoldsroofing.com.